get to work.
Oh wow, finally find Texas? This dude definitely broke convention. Look at this dude, do people really square up like that? This is the most extreme and civil ending to road rage that you'll ever see. When this woman is upset, the whole neighborhood is about to know about it.
Bye, you missed.
This dude doesn't have a big vocabulary, but I think we get his point. This woman realized that her words weren't really doing any good, so she tossed a traffic cone. Kind of. Heading off his exit.
It's been a long day without you, friend. And I'll tell you all about it when I see you again.
I don't know what he's mad about, but if he heard his beat from the inside of the car, he's probably angry. What kind of Street Fighter 6 combo move did this dude pull out of nowhere? And this woman just makes me think of Florida.